জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়।
She lost her eyes. Will her husband pay attention to her anymore? A girl from some remote village had a dream of being a daughter-in-law of a rich family.
What's for lunch today?
What are you doing, sir? Why are you taking the trouble? We are here. We will serve you.
No, it's not for me. It's actually for Nayan. And what about the fish curry?
Here.
Fish.
Here it is, sir. Here. Hey, tell me, what's going on? I can't understand anything.
Nayan is very lucky. She's gone blind and her husband is taking food for her. He really loves her.
No, he doesn't. He doesn't. If he would love Nayan, he couldn't have done this to her. Lord, what did you do? How could you do this to Nayan, Lord? How?
No, Lord, it's all right. Grandma has become a bit emotional. Yes, I will explain to them. Listen to me. Please believe me. I am telling the truth. Tripto is not cheating on Nayan.
You are very innocent, Rangana. You won't understand all this. Deepu couldn't even tolerate Jasmine. Why would he meet her secretly? Why would he come so close to her?
Have you seen them come close? No, right? I've seen Dripto and Nan close to each other. Dripto was crying. He was crying. His eyes out because my friend went blind. Tears rolled down his cheeks, Grandma. Okay, let's assume that the photos are genuine. Dripto has fallen for Chowmein. Then we have to say that his tears are fake, just a pretense. But tell me something. Who would Dripto pretend in front of? Who is that person here? The person who cannot see? There was no one in that room other than Dripto and my friend. I might be stupid. I might not be able to think fast. But do you think my eyes will lie? I have seen Dripto making Nayan touch his face and saying, "See Nayan, it's me." Does that mean that love is a lie and those photos are true?
I can understand what you're saying. But men cannot be trusted completely. You never know when they have a change of heart. I myself am the burnt child, so I dread to see the fire. I feel scared. I saw the dreadful fire in those photos that Sanjukta showed. That's the reason I'm worried about Nayan.
No, Aunt Pratima. Believe me, Nayan won't be that unfortunate. If you don't believe me, come with me. You know, Dripto has become my friend's eye without realizing it. Lord, give me a minute. Let me take them to show how much Dripto loves my friend. Come on, come along with me and see for yourselves. Come, Grandma. Come.
Open your mouth, Nayan. Come on, open it. Yeah.
Sir, I won't eat anymore. I've eaten more than enough. I don't usually eat this much.
Nayan, your excuse won't work. You have to finish the fish. Come on, take it. Come on.
How much fish do I have to eat? I'm having the fish continuously. It doesn't finish. Okay. Tell me, have you given me 2-3 fishes? Oh Lord, what have you done? What will others eat now? Sir, who has distributed the fish? Tell me. Didn't they think about the other family members?
Nayan, keep quiet. Eat your food. Come on, open your mouth. Come on.
I won't eat more. Will I eat up others' food too? No, that's not possible. I won't eat it.
Nayan, you're not eating others' food. I took the fish myself for you. This was my share of fish.
What? What are you saying, sir? Have you given me your share of the fish? Why, sir?
Nayan, this fish is good for your eyes. You have to finish it, okay? And didn't I tell you that I'll go out of my way so that you regain your eyesight? So letting you have my share of fish is nothing, Nayan. Nayan, I'll go as far as I have to for your betterment.
Tell me, Aunt Pratima, Grandma, will you still call me a fool? Do you think I haven't got brains? Will you still say that Tripto's love is fake?
I'm completely confused, Mother. Tell me what I should believe. My heart wants to believe the thing I just saw with my eyes. But I cannot ignore the photos Sanjukta showed us.
But Pratima, Jeet wouldn't lie about Dripto. He has seen that Dripto has admitted Jasmine to the hospital. But I have a question. Why did Dripto hide it from us? Does that mean there is something to hide that he doesn't want us to know? I am again in a dilemma, Pratima.
Only Deepu has the answer to this confusion. Yes, Mother. We should talk to Deepu so that there is no more misunderstanding.
No. Don't speak to him right now. See, Pratima, he just got such a big shock. Talking about all this now, I suggest let his birthday pass. Let's talk to him about it after that.
All right. As you say, Mother. Whatever you say will be done.
Okay, listen, whatever has to be done on Dripto's birthday will happen. But since Dripto is doing so much to keep Nayan happy, we should also do something, isn't it? To make Nayan happy. Otherwise, she'll stay upset about not being able to see. Yes, right. You're absolutely right, Rangana. But what should we do so that the girl feels a little happy? What should we do? What should we do? Idea! Yes! Here, come. Yes. Come on, come on, come on.
Hey, why did you bring me here, Rangana?
Come,
Sit down, please.
come here, come.
Yes.
Sit down.
Listen, we cannot plan Dripto's birthday party without you, right? So we will decorate the party as you wish. Okay?
That's right. And apart from that, we have to make a list of guests. Rangana, don't delay. Bring a pen and paper quickly. Let's make the list first.
Yes, we have to do that. Friend, tell me what the menu should be for the birthday party. Come on, tell me.
Oh, wait. You are always in a hurry. She has just come. Let her think about what she will cook.
All right, we'll do it later. Tell me, how should we decorate the venue of the party? What's your favorite flower? Tell me, we will order it.
Why are you so worried about me? I am.
What did you say? Why are we worrying about you? So are we going to worry about just anyone but you? Crazy girl. Listen, girl. We will start the day with Lourdes Vishalakhi's veneration. All right.
And in the evening, we will have a party. Yay, a party. And we will be wearing these caps at the party. Friend, check this out. Hold it. Here, hold it. It's a beautiful fat cap. This is Grandma's. Here, hold it. Even I have to wear one. Ta-da! Ta-da!
I can't see any of it. You have brought so many things, but I can see none of them with my unfortunate eyes.
Friend, hey, no sorrow right now. Only happiness. And at the party? Oh no. And you, Grandma, and I will dance at the party. And you have to sing at the party. Okay?
There won't be any party.
Why are you saying this?
What are you all hiding from me? Until I know that, there won't be any party on my birthday.
Take Nayan to her room, Rangana. Let her rest.
Nayan won't go anywhere, Aunt.
She will, Deepu. Because I won't say it in front of Nayan. The girl is already in pain. I don't want to add to her pain.
I know myself, Aunt. Besides, I'll never do anything that'll hurt Nayan. And there's nothing in my life which I have to hide from Nayan.
Isn't there anything to hide, Deepu? Or do you think you can hide the truth so easily? Can you hide your relationship with Jasmine so easily, Deepu?
Hey, what are you saying? And what's the meaning of this meaningless ranting?
Ranting? Do you find this meaningless ranting? Am I ranting? Listen, Deepu. I might be your mother, but before that, I am a woman. I won't tolerate another woman's insult in front of me. Absolutely not. Why don't you clearly confess that Nayan has become a burden in your life? Tell her. I know that Nayan is a girl who knows to protect her own honor. She can leave the house immediately if needed. She won't live on anyone's mercy. Don't cheat Nayan like this, Deepu. Don't cheat her.
Mom, what are you saying? Am I cheating her?
What else, Dripto? can you deny your connection with Jasmine?
Uncle!
Don't shout, Deepu. Why are you shouting? You can shut Vicky up by shouting, but not the others. We all know that you share an intimate relationship with Jasmine. So intimate that Jasmine can rest her head on your chest. Don't keep this girl in the dark like this, Deepu. Don't keep Nayan in the dark. Don't do this. Tell her the truth, Deepu.
Was it really necessary to say all this? Didn't Aunt Pratima tell you not to do it? You still did not listen to her. What was the need to raise this in front of friend?
How long are you going to hide it?
No, 1 minute. Mom, what are you even saying? Mom, have you thought before saying all this?
What is there to think, Deepu? Is it a made-up thing that I have to think before saying it? I'm stating the fact. I've said it before and I'm saying it now. I'm a woman and I will not tolerate another woman's insult. I'll speak the truth again and again.
No, it's not true. It's not at all true. It's a complete lie. You are making a false allegation against me.
Oh, really? Am I lying? Am I the one who's lying? Don't you have a soft corner for Jasmine? Don't you have any love for her? She fell sick and you ran to the hospital to admit her for no reason.
No, this cannot be true. It's impossible. Sir cannot do such a thing. He can't.
I also used to think, Nayan, that Deepu could not do such a thing. But ask him yourself if he really did this.
Sir, tell me, is Jasmine sick? Did you take her to the hospital and admit her? Tell me, sir, did you go there?
What will happen now, Pratima?
This is what I feared, Mother. How will we handle Nayan now?
Tripto sir, please don't stay quiet. Answer me.
You don't have to hear this, Nayan. You are not well.
Nayan, why are you saying this to her? What does all this mean? I want to tell Nayan everything. I want to explain everything to her. She'll understand, I'm sure. Nayan, the way this is being portrayed in front of you, it's not like that, okay? Let me explain it to you. You'll understand. Nayan, I was going to the Potapara to bring the idol of goddess Vishalakshi. Just when I was getting out of the car...
Wait a minute, Tripto. What are you trying to explain? And that too under everyone's pressure. Why didn't you tell Nayan all this before? Don't you always say that you don't hide anything from your wife, Nayan?
No, he doesn't. He doesn't hide anything from me. And Uncle Vicky, listen to me. I don't believe what you all say. I don't believe at all. And I understand everything. You don't like the fact that Tripto sir protects me. You want to create differences between us, right?
No, Nayan, you're misunderstanding. You're getting us wrong. We really don't want any differences between you and Tripto. All right, forget it. You already said that you don't trust us. So we won't say anything anymore. But Jeet, he's your good brother-in-law. I hope you trust him. So why don't you ask him? Let him say if we are wrong or right.
Jeet? Jeet, where are you?
Nayan, I'm Jeet.
Jeet, at least you tell Nayan the truth. Look, Jeet, whatever mom and uncle are indicating, I've done nothing of that sort. But after that, a nasty confusion is being created. At least you tell her the truth. Tell her that I've not done anything. Please tell her. Tell her that I've not done anything wrong. Please tell her that. Please, come on.
Dripto, first you tell me one thing. Didn't you admit Jasmine to the hospital?